Releasing medical records feels like something that should be easy. However, every office knows when a stack of requests comes in, it is anything but simple. Releasing a patient's sensitive medical information to the wrong person sets off a chain reaction that can damage your practice. A common issue is that even trained professionals do not understand the rules. Does your office understand the difference between an access request and an authorization request? Does your office understand the difference between a patient's confidentiality list and a personal representative? Do your office's forms reflect and explain these differences? If you do not know, then your patients surely don't know. These differences can be confusing, which is why we developed the Records Release Kit. This kit includes up-to-date forms that will clarify to the office and to the patients where records can go and where they cannot go. Included is a form for every scenario, as well as training on how to use each different form. In nearly 3 decades, there have been very few major changes to HIPAA. However, the OCR released major changes to the records release protocol. They call these changes access guidance. Combined with the implementation of information blocking, it is apparent that records must not only be secure, but accessible to those that need them. This kit will eliminate headaches for your office in the medical records department. These forms provide clear definitions so patients know what they are signing up for, which will smooth the process for the staff. Reducing complaints from your patients is worth its weight in gold. If your patients take their complaints to the OCR, it could cost your practice up to $100,000. If you would like to purchase the Records Release Kit, go to HIPAACompliancekit.com/HIPAA180 or it will be linked below. When purchased, you will have immediate access to all the forms and training that you will need to fully understand how to release medical records properly. They are fully customizable to your office, or you can add our information to your existing forms. With HITECH Associates, a real person works with your practice to complete your HIPAA documentation. We are not selling a software program. We are your compliance partner. If you are interested in making sure your organization is protected before it is too late, please go to HIPAACompliancekit.com, linked below, to learn more about our services. We offer a free, no obligation, 30-minute consultation with your practice, and we'll send you a compliance report card based on that call. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, please like the video and share this video with your colleagues. Subscribe today to stay up to date on all things HIPAA.